Hey guys, today we're gonna make chicken sopas. Okay, let's go. If it's your first time visiting this YouTube channel, make sure to like and subscribe here, and make sure to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Okay. Okay, first you boil the chicken, and once it's tender, we're gonna chop it up into small pieces para sa sopas natin. Okay? So once na malambot na yung chicken, you can debone it and then cut it into small pieces. Alright, so I already cut it into small pieces, and then it's time for it to go back. We also have some pork bones, and so that it will be even more tastier. You can also remove the meat once it is already tendered. Alright, so I already deboned it, and then we can cut the meat into small pieces as well to go on the boiling pan. Okay, now that we've already cut it into small pieces, then we can put it back to the boiling area. Next ingredient that we have is carrots and onions. You can slice it into small pieces as well, and then put them on the boiling area. Okay, now that we're done with cutting the carrots and the onions, we can put it in the boiling pot as well. Next one is the pasta or the noodle that you want to add to your sopas. So for now, we have this one. We can use this one in our sopas as well. Alright? We're gonna use this. Okay, as Filipinos or Pinoys, we also normally get whatever is in the kitchen and make use of those things in our cooking. So right now we have some celery as well, so we can use this on our sopas. And then if you also want to add some eggs in your sopas, you can put some eggs. We put 2 eggs here. Right now we already have the noodles or the pasta that we used, and then let's just wait until it is cooked, and then we can put all of our other ingredients like the milk and the other secret ingredient. Okay, so we normally have oregano on our plants, and I normally pick some fresh leaves, and I can use it as well on my cooking. If you have one at your backyard, you can use it as well. Okay, so always check if the pasta or the noodles is already cooked or not. You can get one and check if it's already soft and tender. So once it's ready, you can put all other ingredients. You can put the salt, pepper, and other seasoning that you have in your kitchen. So right now we have milk here. Whatever milk that you have at home, you can use it in your sopas. Alright? So it depends on how creamier you want your sopas is. You can put as much milk that you want here. Alright? Okay, so once we have that milk on it, we'll just have to let them cook, and let's see. And last but not the least, for Pinoy sopas, it's usually we put some fish sauce, or what we call patis. Right now I don't have the Pinoy patis, and I think this Thai fish sauce will do as well. So like what I mentioned, whatever's in the kitchen, you can make use of it for your any Pinoy cooking style. Alright? Some of the Filipinos also wants their sopas to have garlic on it. Either they put garlic on it or they put toasted garlic once the sopas is already ready. Alright, so we can create one for today's dish. Alright? So once we have the garlic sliced into small pieces, we can toast it or you can just put it on your sopas. Right now, if you also have the garlic ready-made on your kitchen, you can also use that. But for this, we'll create that manually. Here, let's just wait for the garlic to be toasted, and once it's toasted, we can separate it and then we'll just use it on our sopas later. Okay, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please make sure to like and subscribe here at the lower right of the screen, and make sure to tune in for more upcoming videos that we have. If you also have some onion leeks on your garden, or you can just buy at the market, we also use this one on our sopas. Okay, so I also have some fresh basil leaves as well, so you can also put that on your sopas. Whatever herbs or plants that you want to add to your sopas, it's up to you. For us, we also use this one. Okay, so looks like our garlic is already done. We can take it out and then use it on our sopas later. This is the toasted garlic that I created. We can use this on our food later. Okay, now we're done with our chicken sopas. So I added the toasted garlic and basil and egg as well, the boiled egg. Alright. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video, and make sure to comment and subscribe here, and stay tuned for the next videos that we will create. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!